Good morning everyone, this is Jason and welcome to my vlog. So right now, nagpa-deliver ta from Grab. So in less than 30 minutes, nandiyan na yung breakfast natin from McDonald's. So open ko muna to yung coffee nila. So medyo lugi na ako ngayon sa food kasi I eat 4 to 5 times a day. So I've gained so much weight working at home. This is the coffee from McDo. So shake na natin. So magko-coffee ako habang ina-unbox ko yung ano. So kunin ko muna yung ano. Mar, kao na Mar, Mang. Alcohol. Hindi natin kanin ko ang ano, sa basic lang. So yan. Sugar. And let's put 2 sugar on it. And sugar and creamer. So mainit nga topic ngayon is all about politics. So I'll stay out of politics when it comes to social media argument kasi marami talaga nagipag-away eh. Mga local politician, national politician. So, very hot talaga ngayon sa social media. So, kahit malamig dito sa amin, nag-order ako ng McDo and then some ice cream in vanilla flavor. This vanilla. And this is, oh! Natumba. Anong flavor tong isa? Grab vanilla and then matcha at saka strawberry. Yan, matcha. Ito yung matcha. Ito yung strawberry. Yan. Okay. Natin ang picture. And then I also order open natin itong McFloat. Ma! Kao na di ma! Sister, McFloat. Float. And then we have a small spoon. 3 spoon. There. Paki mo na ako sa gilita. So, masarap yung fries pag mainit pa. So, I ordered the BFF fries. Mar! Lalamig na yung fries, hindi na masarap. Tsaka ito, may ano siya. Large fries. And then we have Japanese nori seaweed flavor. Shake ko lang ito siya. Nori flavor. Ketchup. Ito na lang lalagyan ko ng ketchup itong paket ng McDo. Ito mo lang isasawsaw yung fries natin. May nori. Shake. Mar, kao na din Mar. Init pang fries and burger. Kasi pag hindi naman init pang fries and burger, hindi masarap. You have a crispy chicken fillet here. Chicken fillet. And we have also, what else do we got here? Hash brown and several tissue. We have burger. Alam, pakita niya yung cheese burger. Ano mang? And we have the big breakfast. Ano yung laman ng big breakfast? We have eggs. Okay, so yan na yan. Yan na yan. That's it.